Hello and welcome to the 2022 range of motorhomes from Knaus. As always, I need to point out that this is for entertainment purposes only. I am not responsible for anything that may go wrong should you buy a vehicle from any company whatsoever. If it breaks down, it's not my fault, it's not the dog's fault, it's not Google's fault. It's your fault. And it's your fault for not checking before you bought it. I make that point to make absolutely clear. So let's have a look at this vehicle here, which is the Knaus TI Plus 650 MEG. MEG cost 80,000 euros. MEG means it's got a German layout, but it also used to be the name of a dog I used to take out for walks when I was a child, and that MEG was named after a person who was in a UK soap opera called Crossroads, and I think the woman who looked after the hotel, or was the hotel owner or something like that, was called Meg. So I make that interesting and highly relevant point about this German layout named after that dog. Anyway, so the beds here are over 2 meters in length, so if you're tall then you might want to get something with the German layout, and if you're not tall then you don't need to, because the cost of the German layout is that you're going to lose space with something else, and space is at a premium. Let's open this up. You've got down there a wardrobe, which makes an ideal place for keeping your dirty laundry in. Let's have a look at the other side as well. What could we find in here? That's a good sized wardrobe, and of course you can open it up here. I would like also to point out, whilst I'm walking around this vehicle, that this doesn't open, does it? No, just thought I'd check that. I'll check under there as well. Good. And that I filmed this vehicle at so I filmed this vehicle at Yasta, the summer camping caravanning show in Poland 1 month ago, and then you can see it sort of in action, so to speak, in action, because it's a place where you might actually see it, like to go in a van, such as a nice port in the summer with wonderful views over the marina. Anyway, so and now we're in this hall, but the hall's a nice hall. I'm not complaining at the hall. Right, now what's the point of having a thing like that? Well, it's so you don't get the toilet wet. I mean, I personally didn't use it, but somebody must use it, otherwise they wouldn't keep building them, I suppose. Here we've got a sliding door. Sliding door still appears to work, although it's on its way out, so I'm not... Oh, I see why, because the bolt has gone missing. Somebody has removed the bolt. I bet you think it was me. I came in early and I pinched the bolt. Right, 2 burners. This is the in thing for 2022. 2 burners. You wouldn't be seen in a van with 3 burners in 2022. So you got 3 burners. You really want to have one of them ripped out before the 1st of January 2022. And as we're now in the 2022 season, so to speak, I suggest you just rip them out. Anyway, this has got a soft close function. We shall now test the soft close function. Yeah, it worked. Well done. It's not straight, but it worked. And got a bit of storage around there. This is on the MAN. I tried driving one of these at a Knaus. I went to their open day in 2019. I got in. I couldn't turn the key. Okay, I thought it was me. I'm not using enough pressure. You know, you don't want to break the thing. You don't want to break the thing and end up having to pay 90,000 euros. So this lass that was showing me, I said to her, I can't turn it. So she had to go, and she couldn't turn it. So she got this. The boss, he came round and he couldn't get it started, so he rang up the factory. And so anyway, what you have to do if you can't get the key to turn, you ring up the factory. That should resolve the issue on that one. Anyway, good. Anything else I want to show you? We'll have a look at another one. So it's got extra wide door. Let's say that. Can't remember. I might have done. The undercarriage, the under bit is made of fiberglass, and it's got 2 I'll leave that one. It's got a suspension, the air suspension system in it from Goldschmidt. I think it's from Goldschmidt anyway. Right, so this is the place where your gas canisters go. Is that open? And it's got this system that comes out. And no, I won't pull it out just in case it breaks. Let's have a look at another one. So that is the Van Ti Plus. This one's a Van Ti Plus, but this one's a different colour. So I'm going to go in and show it to you in a different colour. And that's a Van Ti Plus as well. So we'll have a look at all three and see what the difference is, if any. And this one here is going to cost 80,000 euros, and Van Ti Plus 650 meg. I think the last one was a 650 meg. Let's see if we can see any differences. Oh, got a nice big panoramic window. And the rest of it looks pretty much the same. Only that, I don't think I showed you this. Did I show you this or didn't I show you this? I can't remember. This is the German layout. This is the bit that comes out. Push it back. Try again. I'll push it back. Right, okay, what's the problem here? Well, I'm sure if you rang up the factory, they'd tell you how to push it back. But anyway, it's supposed to go back. Oh, I've got a fridge. I'll show you the fridge. I mean, I've shown you this fridge many times in the past. 142 litre fridge. Oh, got some. This is how you turn the lights on. I quite like this actually. Yeah. Look at that. It's nice and bright now. Anyway, it's nice and bright now, which might help you to find out how that German layout actually works. Up here we've got a big television, USBs, and I thought the television went down here somewhere, but oh no, it does not on this model. It does in other models. Anyway, on these holes here, that's not for ventilation of whatever is down there. That's for your headrests. Hymer came up with this really good system for the headrests, for actually storing them somewhere. But Knaus doesn't do that, so it's a bit pointless actually bringing the point up. Hey, look at this, you've got the lights here as well. Right, let's have a look at the final one, which is a Ti Plus 700 LF. It costs nearly 91,000 euros, and right, so it's got this long unit from the 1980s. Nice to see things back again. It's got 3 in the range, so obviously it's looking back to the 1980s, so it wouldn't have 2. And here we've got a side bed. We've got a step up, because when you're spending 91,000 euros, there's nothing you like better than tripping over a step. And not only that, when they've really thought of this one, not only do you have the luxury of tripping over the step in this direction, but also you can trip over the step in this direction as well. That's what I call thinking things out. We'll turn the lights on here a bit more. Nice moulded sink, side bed. You got a bit of storage under the bed. I'll lift it up. Well, I'll try. Oh, it works. It works. Right, so you can see under there you got a bit of storage, and down there in the garage, which will save me the bother of having to go down there, you've got your electronics, your fuses, you've got your battery charger, and the solar charger thing as well. Also, convenient thinking. You see, they really have thought out, not only to treat you to a nice step to trip over, but they've also put at the back the light switches, so you can sit up in bed and turn all the lights on, which might actually stop you falling over. The bed is over 2 meters in length. It doesn't look it, but I'm sure it is if it says it up there. And it's got Everport HRC mattress. Can't remember what HRC means. I meant to look it up because I said this a couple of days ago as well, and I think I did look it up, but I've forgotten. So if anybody knows, just write it down below. Decor, I think it looks awful, but then again, hey, what do I know? It's Lynn in Chicago. She writes about the decor on this site, so let her have the word. It looks like one of these like suits that people had in like in the early 1950s or even the 1930s. That material. Good, not that I remember the early 1930s. Right, so that is the Van Ti Plus. I don't know why it's plus. Don't know what's plus about. Hey, should we see if the soft close is working? There you go. What's on here? Yeah, don't know if that worked or didn't. If it worked, then it's very, very, very quiet. Let's pull it out a little bit. Yeah, it did. It worked. Well done. Well done, Knaus, for making a soft close function that actually worked. Right, I think that's it. What I did do in an earlier video, I did the integrated vans. You can see them in a different video. And I think I'll finish off with this one here. Yeah, that's a good shot of it, isn't it? Van Ti Plus on the MAN platform at Caravan Salon, Dusseldorf. Thanks for watching, and do remember, I am not responsible for anything that goes wrong, and this is for entertainment only. All the best from Dusseldorf. Bye.